Hi everyone, and welcome to the Unity Editor Basics series. So in this tutorial we're going to be talking about the title bar, but before we do that, have a look at this picture here. So we went over this in the tutorial that's called scripts. So you can see that out here the C# programming language communicates with the Unity game engine via Unity's scripting API. So there's about like all these moving parts that you have to know to make a fully functional game. And add to that you have the Unity editor, which has a lot going on. And the more that you can kind of navigate the editor, the easier it becomes for you to make your games. Okay, so let's have a look at the title bar, which is right here at the top. Okay, so first we have this Unity icon here. So if I click on it, it's going to show you a context menu, which allows you to restore, minimize, maximize, and close the Unity editor window. And you can do this with these buttons here on the far right side. Okay, and then you have your project name. So my project is called a transform component. Okay, after that you have the name of this scene that's currently open. Okay, so this could be any game level, a film scene or splash scene, welcome scene, etc. Okay, now moving on to the right, you have the build platform, and out here you can see that it says PC, Mac, and Linux stand alone. So there's different build platforms. So you can also build Unity games for an Android phone, iOS, Xbox, etc. Right? So, and we can see all these out here. So these are all the platforms that you can build your game for. So when you build a game for a PC, you're going to get an executable file that ends with .exe. And if you build for, let's say, the Oculus Quest, right, which is a virtual reality device, you're going to get a .apk file because an Oculus Quest is indeed an Android device. And we'll come to this later on when we cover this file menu. Okay, after that you have the Unity version that you're using. So this is the Unity version that I'm using, 2019.4.8 F1. And after that you have the type of license. So this is a personal license, so which you can use for free. And after that, where it says DX11, this is the name of the graphics processing API. So this is the DirectX 11 graphics API, which is used by the GPU, which is your graphical processing unit, or your graphics processing unit. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you found this useful.